Right guys, another no nonsense tool tip for you today. Got some nice shiny new centre caps for the car since the alloy is reconditioned, since I've painted the calipers. Seems rude not to. Nice and shiny, splash of blue on there to match the calipers. Need to get the old ones out. You can scratch the alloys up pretty badly trying to prise them out with a screwdriver. You can pop them out from the other side if you've got the wheels off, or you can use one of these. It's just an old sat nav holder. Make sure it's nice and wet. Stick it on, out it comes. Just stick it on, prise them out. There is no easier way of getting them out than that. You can scratch them up with a screwdriver. If you do anything else, if you've got the wheel off already, pop them out from the other side, simple enough. But you're not going to beat that as a quick, easy way of getting your